Hey, my beautiful Tea Party squad. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here to my Tea Party, hello and welcome. I am so glad you are tuned in for this video. So in this video today, I'm going to be unboxing my custom planner by the Happy Planner. Yes, they have started doing custom planners and custom Happy Planner notes. I'm super excited. So I wanted to unbox this so you guys can kind of see what options I picked, what I choose, and all that fun stuff. So with the custom planner, you get to pick your font, your disc color, your layout, and it is, oh my gosh, I don't know. Like this just blew my mind just now. Okay. So you have the option of picking either a custom planner or you can pick a custom notebook. And so I chose to pick the custom planner. And so I'm going to show you my cover, and I'm also going to share with you all the other stuff that I picked. So exciting. Now, what I like about this with the custom planner, the Happy Planner kits, they include like personalized covers, which I have here. You get 12 dividers, you get a choice of your disc, and you choose if you want a vertical or a horizontal layout. So they only give you two options for that. I wish they had a little bit more because I am a dashboard layout kind of girl. But I figured let me go ahead and dive back into something new and different. So that's what I did. So I'm going to share with you all those things. If you are interested in like the custom Happy Notes kit, that also includes a personalized cover, but you get 3 dividers, you get a choice of your disc, and you can choose a dot grid or a dotted line paper. I was tempting because I like bold things, and so I feel like the wild style is like a bold statement, and I also like some fun colors and stuff and playful colors. And so when I saw the other option for the bright and colorful, I was a little torn, and I was like, I'm not for sure what I really want. So I went ahead and opted for my wild style. So that's what I got, of course. So I did get the wild style cover, and let's just see. Oh, it's already open at the bottom. Okay. So that is so cute. And so I opted to go ahead and get my name on there. I forgot the actual font name of this, but I just chose this one. I was going to get Southern Tea Time on there, but I ran out of space on that last letter, which was a letter E. And I was just like, really? So I just opted to go ahead and do Toccoa, which I like. I'm loving the foil on here. And so here you get your inserts here that says this is my one and only precious wildlife, of course. And then you get your years at a glance. All right. And then it starts July 2020, excuse me. And yeah, so this one, it says always believe in your wildest dreams, loving the foil on there. And so you have July, then you have August. This is September, October. So these are the dividers. November, December, and then we get January, February, March. Ooh, April is pretty. May and June. And then that's the inside cover of that. And then this is the back cover. And I got some confetti on that. So those are the divider covers, which I think is really cute. So this goes from July 2020 through June of 2021. So that was that. It says one of a kind, just like you. See if it's going to focus. There we go. Let's put it together. Oh, so exciting. Oh, okay. I was not expecting a sticker book. That's new for me. I was not expecting a sticker book at all. I thought I was just going to get the planner and the disc, but this is awesome. So I have a watercolor sticker book, which I'm going to do a quick flip through for you because I do not have this sticker book. And why not go ahead and do a quick flip through, shall we? These are clear stickers here. Those 3 pages in the beginning were paperback, but these are clear stickers. You have binge, watch. Oh, I can definitely use those. Checklist boxes, important, note to self. Awesome. And I think these are one of the older books. So that's great to have to add to my collection. So thank you. Thank you. And hopefully I'm not going too fast. You guys get a chance to kind of see all of the stickers. Because you know I love to do sticker book flip throughs. Those are really cute. So this is really a complete set because you get not only planners, but then you also get a sticker book to go ahead and get you started and going ahead and start planning. This is awesome. Now, like I said, I thought I was just getting the planner and the disc and that was it. But to have sticker books, that is really awesome. Let's see if it's going to focus again. So yeah, that was it. So that was the watercolor sticker book and it has 178 pieces in there. And yeah, this is one of the older books back in 2016. And I don't have this one, but hey, glad that I do have it. That is awesome. Let's see. All right, we're going to start with my disc. So I chose this disc here, and this is, I believe it's the blush. Y'all, I can't remember. I think this is the blush, but I was going through so many options as far as the color that I want to go with. So that's why I'm really not for sure. But I really wanted something that was going to go with my cover. And we're going to see. If not, I do have some extra disc that I could use. Now I'm wishing that I got metal disc instead of plastic because these are plastic disc. But I really thinking now I should have went ahead and went with the metal disc. But anywho, all right, so here is my inserts for my planner. So I'm going to flip through that really quick. So yeah, this is the vertical layout. I chose to do the vertical layout so that this was something that I started off with in the beginning when I first got into Happy Planner. And so I just figured, let me go ahead and give it a try. And so I'm torn now because I really want to use this, but I really was going to wait and use it for something else. But because it starts in July, I'm just like, I don't know, but I like that it's neutral. So all of this is just black and white. The only color tones are in the month and the notes section. So I do love that it's a very neutral planner and not too much like different colors. So yeah, so that is that. And I think we're going to put it together. Just go ahead and put the inserts in there. Oh, and then I forgot about this. So this is where you put your disc in, and then it's easier for you to go ahead and lay out your covers and put them in. So this is like your little disc stand, which I'll put it together, let you see how that works. But I remember Hannah talking about it a few months ago. Just going to be checking some boxes. Just want to make sure I don't have any extra surprises. So nothing is in there. So that was just for shipping. Nothing else. Just double checking. Okay. So that was all that was in there. So let's go ahead and put her together. All right. So we're going to put the disc in there. And I don't know if all of the kits, like when you order them, I don't know if everyone got the same sticker book. So if you order the custom planner or the custom happy notes, let me know down in the comments below and let me know what sticker book you got inside of your planner or inside of your package. I think this is going to be easier and awesome to just have this little thing right here to make it much easier to put the covers on. All right, so here's my cover. And so what you do is just put your disc inside of here, and then you get your two covers, put them together like this, and then what it does is just hold everything in place so that it's easier to, you know, put everything on there. So I do like that because I used to be on the struggle bus just trying to keep everything together. You'll have a disc pop out, that sort of thing. So I'm going to keep it on there for right now, but I do like that. I'm actually going to keep that. That's going to be like a little accessory when I set up my planners because I think it's cute. So, all right. So I'm going to put in my pages here. So this starts off July. So I'm trying to think as I'm putting this together, if I want to add this to my planner lineup for July. Technically tomorrow. I forgot that these are dated. I should have gotten like an undated one, but I don't think there's the undated one. I don't think. So that's July. So let's go ahead and put July in here. That way I don't have to come back to it. All right. So there you have it, guys. I have my custom planner all put together. It was super easy to do. I enjoyed it so much. But I think I may end up going back and doing a bright and colorful happy notes and maybe doing something with that as well. But again, I picked my cover, my disc, which I have plastic disc, and then I chose the vertical layout. And this starts in July 1st, 2020 through June of 2021. So I'm really excited, you guys. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing and setting this up. It was super awesome to do. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my tea party, I hope that you enjoyed it as well, and I hope that you consider subscribing to my tea party. Thanks for watching, guys.